Oh, yeah. Welcome, Savages, Savage Family, and Savage Maniacs. Yes, sir. It's a good day today. Shout out to Target. Got these great cards in stock. They've been doing a good job with these drops. So let's get into them. These are the ones I've been waiting for all year. And let's see what we get. You already know, last video, we hit some great LaMelo balls, some bang, bang, bang. So let's go ahead and get into these. This is the camo pack. It's like 3 prism. So if you get, hey, could be some bangers in there. But let's go ahead and see what we get in both of these boxes. So let's rip this thing open. Ooh, these things are, ooh, hold on. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. Landry, Troy Brown, Kobe White, Daniel, Graham, Zach. Ooh. Yes, sir. Wiseman. What is that on the card? Oh, man. How did that card go? Oh, man. You see that? Oh, let me get my camera to focus. Y'all see that? That's on the card already. How? Wow, that's so. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anthony Edwards, Ant-Man, Ricky, and that looking so lovely. Oh, T-Mac, all-time greats. Shout out Tracy. Brooke Lopez, looking nice. Jimmy Butler, Will to Win. And a Dominique Wilkins with the Jam Master with the little big hairs. Nice looking card. I like that. But Ant-Man, oh man. Now let's get into the camo pack. See what we get here. Man, these things they're not easy to open. Jeez. So there's only 3 in here. Okay. I'm gonna sleeve these. Jaylen Brown, definitely gonna sleeve that one. And a CJLB Ricky. All right. Now let's get into this. This is what we all been waiting for. Let's see, 5-4 Mosaic Premium Prisms. I was looking for the chances. Okay, so on average, non-base, approximately 1 pack. So this is everything that you would get. It's only 8 packs, 4 cards per pack. Let's see what we get. Let's go ahead and rip this thing open. Let's see. Nothing else in there. All right. So stack these bad boys up. Let's go. Kuzma, Kyle Kuzma. All right, so all right. Crusoe. This is a Laker pack, huh? All right, Precious Ricky. Yep. Sleeved out, and a Luka bang. Yes, sir. Make sure there's no marks on this one. This one looks really good. Yes, sir. Luka bang. He was doing them boys in. They didn't win that series, but he was doing those boys in. Yes, sir. So that's a good hit. All right, so we got a Davis, Victor, Tracy Maxey. I've been pulling him a lot in other decks, so it was only right. Yeah, I can't pronounce his first name, but Ramsey. So rookie. All right. Next pack. RJ Barrett. Is it the second year? Yeah, second year RJ Barrett. What is this on the cards? Look at that line. Do you not see that line? What is that? It's horrible. It's horrible. Kawhi is not playing this year. Peyton, I get a lot of him as well. And a Clyde Dressler. Alright, next pack. I don't know, man. Some of these cards, they just look like they getting crapped on, you know? Lines and stuff, that's not good. Alright, Malcolm, Clint, Steph Curry, National Pride. That's a good, oh, look like we got a hit behind this one. Let's see. Up is upside down. So what we're gonna do is just you seen it. You seen it already. All right, Darius Garland. That's not bad. That's not bad. Second year. All right, so we'll put that to the side. All right, so we got here. Danny Green, Kevin Love, James Wiseman, rookie. Yes, sir. Hopefully, let me make sure there's nothing wrong with this one. Okay, this one, look. Is that Kawhi in the background? Yeah, it is Kawhi in the background. This one does not look like it has any crazy lines on it. Oh, what's that? Okay, thankful. And a KD Elite. Yes, sir. All right. I couldn't grab this one. Must be some heat in this one. This one was hard to pick up. Y'all saw that 3 times. All right. John Morant. Wish it was a rookie. It look like we got a hit, but it is a second year. So it is a second year. Another day. Man, stop it. Why is this one flip? Oh man, so I don't even, it's a rookie, but so you can see I gotta show y'all this. I don't even know how to pronounce his name, so I'm not gonna butcher his name out of respect, but you see what it is. Okay, nice looking card. Oh, this was the real one. I'm sorry. Autograph. Sam Morrell. I don't even know who he is, but it's autographed. That's lovely. That is lovely. I hope you become great. That's definitely a banger. Man, these packs are not easy to open whatsoever. Ooh. All right, Seth Curry brother, Broderick, Steve Nash, and you can call him Coach Steve Nash now, and another Clyde Drexler, Hall of Famer. All right, last pack Magic. Lord, please bless it to be something great in this. Like a LaMelo Ball would be great. I got Ant-Man. I got Wiseman. Can I get and it opened pretty nicely. Can I get a LaMelo Ball, please? Oh, we got a Draymond. Let's see. I got him again. Can't pronounce his name, but we got him again. We got a Lewis Jr., rookie, And what is the last card, folks? It's a green. Oh, is it a rookie? It's not a rookie. It's a national pride, Tyrese, though. Yeah, this is a rookie. Okay, so it's a rookie. Don't know too much about him, but yo, still a great pull. Still gonna sleeve it. So let's go over the hits that we had today. Let's go over the hits. If I'm missing anything, and you guys see anything that is a hit, just let me know in the comments so I can sleeve it, because I keep most of these cards anyway. So let's go over the hits. Steph Curry, National Pride. Tyrese, National Pride. Autograph Sam Merrill. James Wiseman. Peyton. Ramsey. Tyrese Maxey, NBA debut. Luka with the bang. I like those guys. I like them. Precious. CJ. Jaylen Brown. These are the camo packs ones. So, and Anthony Ayers, I think that might be the best. And a Wiseman like that. Like, how? Yeah. Well, you guys see. Pretty decent. Not upset. I think that Anthony Ayers is going to be the banger. Like I said, let me know in the comments cards that you've seen that I should sleeve. I'm somewhat familiar with these, but you can always use help to get better. So once again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for your time. And oh yeah, we out.